Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to video tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how you can be making a consistent 10 or 20 USDT daily from bybit. Alright, so before I dive into this, if this is the first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do want to subscribe, like my videos, and also share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. Okay, and in the past I've made a similar video of this very nature that that I personally followed, and a lot of people from my classes followed, and they made a lot of profit from this class. Okay, so all you just need to do right now is to make sure you have some available USDT on your accounts. Okay, I don't have withdraw mostly my USDT today. I don't have any fund right now, but before you can do this, all you just need to do is to have some few USDT on your account, and practice this carefully and dive into it. Okay, so let's quickly go into that without any waste of time. As you can see, if you have some USDT, all you just need to do is to navigate yourself to this very place. Okay, you can see a favor right here, you can see hot here, you can see new here, you can see gainers, you can see losers, and you can also see the turnover. So which one exactly do I want to look at into it today? What I'm going to look at into it today is the hot. All right, it's the hot. Okay, so coming to look at the hot, you can see all those coins that are available here are actually highly flexible, because they usually goes ups and down every 15 minutes or every 5 minutes or every 3 minutes. You can take advantage of all those few minutes and dive into it and make your profit, then go out before the market collapse again. Okay, so we're going to make a choice of a coin here, which we're going to choose SOL, which is Solana. Okay, so choosing the SOL, let's look at the SOL and see how the SOL has been doing for the past 1 day and also for the past 15 minutes or 1 hour. Okay, so we're going to first look at the 15 minutes on SOL. So this is the 15 minutes on SOL. So in this 15 minutes, let's look at it. Okay, this happens actually today, earlier today, which was what, on the 19th. You can see 19 here around 9:15. Okay, so this happened earlier today, this evening, this happens this evening, which was around 9. You can see the date here. So looking at it 15 minutes again, it's 1 hour, sorry, you can see this also happened today around 10. It's not yet far from this. Okay, so looking at it 4 hours, you can see how it has been going. So in a nutshell, if you purchase like right now from this very time to 4-5 hours, you definitely be in profit. That is what it means. All right, looking at it 1 day also, it has actually been declining for the past 1 day, which is the past 24 hours. When was this? This was actually showing a long time, which is last month. Okay, which is on the 23rd of last month. You can see how these coins have been doing from that is this very coin have been declining from since last month. Okay, this was actually January, so this actually has been declining since what, since last month, 23rd. So it is another new time for it to regain its momentum and return over to where it was declining from, or even more than that. Okay, so looking at this very place, in this very place you have the clue of the 24 hours high, the 24 hours low, and also the 24 hours turnover. So with this shows that the 24 hours high was over 147 and the low was over 142. 2, and the 24 hours total turnover is over 82.7 trade. Okay, so that is for this. So we're going to go into look at what actually is going on here, how many are going out and how many are selling, are coming in. Okay, you can see the rate of the people coming in currently. You can see the rate of the volume selling out. So every second this is happening, you can see the rate of the people selling out and also the rate of the people that are still coming. So every second a lot of people are trading this very Solana against USD, trading against USDT, and it's actually working out. The only reason why this very coin is very important today is because the coin is a very high coin in the market, and is highly flexible. That is going, if is busy going ups and down, and a lot of people are investing in this coin every now and then. So this coin is good, and aside from this, you can do all this with any of those coins, and you can see what exactly you can stand to make from it. Okay, so looking at this one also, you can come out here to look at some of those coins. Anyone that benefits you, anyone that profits you, is the one you're going to buy. Okay, so anyone that profits you is the one you're going to buy actually. So aside from this, you can still look at this ETH. ETH is also good, and it has been doing well in the past few minutes or few days. Okay, so looking at it, ours, where has this been coming from? This was also today, and this place, looking at here, it was also today, and it managed to decline to 2.4, of which his total low was showing us this 2.4. This was his total low. So this is another good time for you to like enter this market at 2.5. okay, another good time for you to enter this market. So if you are seeing this trade by this time 19th, and after 10, you can join this trade now, and it's going to be like actually profitable for you. So looking at USDC again, USDC is actually a constant coin. It doesn't change quickly on time. So these very coins that you are seeing here, which are being labeled under hot sale, there's still a lot of them. You can just click on them all in order for you to see many more of them. You can see Pepe have been doing well, and it has changed in the market totally. All right, so you can take a look at it carefully, and you're going to make something for yourself. So all you just need to do now is to dive into this trade now and start making something for yourself. So thank you so much. If you do have any questions, do not forget, drop it in the comment sections, and I'll attend to you ASAP. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.